Hello everyone, my name is Rakesh Gaur. I've been working with LinkedIn now since over 6 years. I have over 18 years of industry experience in sales in organizations like InfoEdge. I worked there for about 12 years and now LinkedIn 6 years. Today was a great day at IIEBM. I was invited by Jai Singh and one of his team member Tapan to come here and share with students on how they could have good LinkedIn profiles. Right from the moment I actually walked into campus, the entire experience was very enriching for me personally as well. There is a definite different culture that Jai Singh has built along with his students and staff for students. They are already industry ready. They pretty much follow like an army kind of a culture within the college itself, right from how disciplined they are to the way they conduct themselves. There were a lot of Q&A that happened, a lot of questions that were asked to me on best practices on what students can do on LinkedIn. Pretty much shows how energetic and how curious they are, to get into the industry. And overall, I wish the students all the very best, for their endeavor. I know the senior batch is up for placements. There's a new batch that's come in. There's the campus is expanded itself as well. So I wish everyone all the very best as they look forward to coming in the industry. Thank you so much for having me here.